Today we'll talk about possessive pronouns and possessives.
Whose phone is this?
That's Anna's phone.
See the S in Anna's? That's called the possessive of S. It sticks right to the noun to show who owns the phone, like a clingy ex who won't let go.
Whose jacket is this?
That's John's jacket.
Again, S sticks to the owner's name. Possessives always goes right after a noun.
That's John's jacket.
No, that jacket is his.
Here comes the cool loner. His is a possessive pronoun. It stands alone and replaces the noun plus S. No need to say John's again.
Whose backpack is this?
It's mine.
Mine is another possessive pronoun. Standing proudly all alone. Here's the full squad. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Whose books are these? They're the girls' books. Plural possessive time. When a noun is plural and ends with an S, like girls, the possessives is just an apostrophe after the S. That's because the noun is already plural. Quick recap. Possessive apostrophe S noun plus apostrophe S for plural nouns ending in S noun plus apostrophe. Possessive pronouns stand alone. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Practice time. Fill in the blanks. Use these in your own conversations and soon you'll be a possessive pro. No clingy ex or cool loner can confuse you. If you want more Simply Explained grammar, watch this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.